What if I told you there's a way to withdraw your funds from your freelance platform under 5 minutes without you needing your own PayPal or Payoneer account? Once again, my name is Isaac, and today we'll be talking about Fiverr withdrawal from Ratefy without you needing your own PayPal or Payoneer account. So we know it can be hard for freelancers, especially Nigerian freelancers, because now PayPal is not allowed in Nigeria, and we know it can be hard for you to receive your hard-earned money from all these platforms, especially Fiverr. And sometimes even for Payoneer, you have to reach the threshold of $1,000 before you exchange your fund at a very good rate. So we at Ratefy have done the hard work for you to link our own PayPal account and Payoneer account to exchange your funds for you at very high rates. Also check our rate at www.ratefy.co. But there are a few things you need to do for this process to be seamless. You need your login details for your account, which is Fiverr, and then number 2 is that we charge a one-time $5 fees for Payoneer withdrawals, whereby for PayPal they are free. So, and then we also needing your help as to the access links that will be sent to your Gmail account, and also a code be sent to the number registered on your Fiverr account. So these are just the few things we need from you as to make this process. All you have to do is just give us the details and we'll do the rest for you. And for other withdrawals that you're making after your first withdrawals, for other withdrawals, everything will be free. It's just the first time that you pay a $5 fee. So that's all for today. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.